Hey there, is your iPhone storage constantly running out? Annoying, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show you how to clear storage on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your storage usage. First things first, let's see what's taking up all that space. Open Settings, scroll down to General, and tap iPhone Storage. Here you'll see a colorful bar showing what's hogging your storage like photos, apps, and system files. Step 2. Offload unused apps. Next up, offload those apps you don't use. Tap any app and hit offload app. This keeps your data but clears the app itself. Super handy. Step 3. Delete old conversations. Are your iMessage conversations from 2 years ago still lurking? Go to Messages, swipe left on old threads, and tap Delete. Boom, space saved. Step 4. Clear Safari data. Safari hoarding your cache. Go to Settings, Safari, Clear History, and Website Data. Done. It's like giving your browser a fresh start. Step 5. Optimize photo storage. Photos taking up tons of space. Head to Settings, Photos, and turn on Optimize iPhone storage. This keeps full res photos in iCloud and saves space on your phone. Bonus tip: manage downloads and files. Finally, clear out random downloads in the Files app and unwanted media from apps like WhatsApp. Trust me, this makes a difference. Files cleanup demo, and there you have it, a clutter free iPhone in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.